Welcome to Shopify. Let me guide you on how to get acquainted with the app for the first time. No worries, it's super quick and easy. On the home page, you'll see a Get Started section. This one aims to help you take care of site loading. The first step is to enable the instant page. This feature helps improve customers' experience by preloading links before customers click on them. One click here, and done. Now, let's move on to the second step to raise your speed score. Shopify is offering the free speed boost that quickly helps improve your store's performance. You just need to hit the button, "Show me how," to contact us anytime to process this perk for you. Or you can click Increase Speed to see the details of our Speed Up package and sign up for it. It is a speed in-depth service with a 6-month guarantee that can boost your site speed by up to 50%. Next, go make your product images to their smallest possible sizes, which benefits loading time. Simply hit the button, Compress Now, and the app will start the process right away. You don't have to wait for it to complete here because Shopify will notify you on the News tab when everything is done. We come to the end of the starting process with something a little high-end but highly recommended by Google. Have you heard of AMP? This one is great at rocketing the loading speed of mobile pages, which cheers up your customer's experience. Shopify allows you to design the AMP pages with a myriad of customizations. You can take a look at some of our customized sections displayed here. After editing, you just need to enable the Activate button to publish your AMP pages on your website. Congratulations, now you know Shopify, and your site speed is way better. Let's keep your SEO spirit high by clicking the Go Home button, and then choosing other factors to continue optimizing. Last but not least, remember to enable the Shopify snippet to save all configurations in your theme. To do this, go to the Settings page and click on Shopify Snippet. There you can enable the Shopify snippet in the customization pages of your theme. Don't forget to click Save. You're now all set to get started with Shopify. If you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to us via the 24/7 in-app live chat channel. Thank you for watching.